Hi guys, now that we unboxed the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, we will show you how to set up and install the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus.
Okay, let's power it up and show you how to set up the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Let's fast forward here. It takes about 27 seconds to boot up for the first time. In case your phone does not boot up in the language you want, tap here and select the language and country of choice. Next, you'll be asked to accept the end user license agreement and some privacy options. We recommend that you only select the end user license agreement because that's the only thing that you are required to accept. If you're migrating from an old phone, you'll now have the option of copying over your data. But if you're setting this up as a new phone, tap skip this for now. You will now be asked to log into your Wi-Fi network if you have one. After you're connected to your Wi-Fi network, tap next to proceed. It will now take a couple of seconds to check for updates online. Now you can log into your Google account or sign up for one. You can actually skip this and log into your Google account later. You now have the option of turning off some Google services. We usually disable sending Google usage and diagnostic data. Now it's time to protect your Galaxy Note 10 Plus using a screen lock. There are several options here, but we recommend using the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. But first, you'll need to select an alternative login method. Let's use pattern. Just draw a pattern and repeat to verify your choice. Now it's time to train the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. Firmly press your finger on the sensor area and lift when you feel a vibration. Keep pressing and lifting your finger and change your position each time. The ultrasonic sensor works with wet fingers, but we still recommend registering at least 2 fingers. Now that was pretty easy, wasn't it? Here you have the option of removing default apps that you don't want. Just uncheck the apps that you don't want and tap OK at the bottom. Finally, you'll be asked to sign into your Samsung account. You can skip this first, but you still need to log in before you can use services like Samsung Bixby or Samsung Pass. You're almost done. Just read this notice at the bottom and tap finish. And that's it. Your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus is now ready to use. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel.